Bollywood and the entire nation woke up to the shocking news of actor Irfan Khan passing away on April 29th. Amid all the prayers and messages of condolence pouring in on social media, his family released an official statement 2 days after his demise. In an official statement released by his wife, Sutapa Sikdar, and his son Babil and Ayan, they asked his fans and well-wishers to take this news not as a loss but as a gain. Sutapa mentions how she cannot call this a family statement when the entire world is taking it as a personal loss. She also goes on to thank everybody, including the doctors, who have helped them through their difficult journey. How can I write this as a family statement when the whole world is taking it as a personal loss? How can I begin to feel alone when millions are grieving with us at the moment? I want to assure everyone that this is not a loss, it is a gain. It is a gain of the things he taught us, and now we shall finally begin to truly implement it and evolve. Yet, I want to try to fill in the things that people don't already know. It's unbelievable for us, but I would put it in Irfan's word. It's magical. Whether he is there or not there, and that's what he loved. He never loved one-dimensional reality. The only thing I have a grudge against him is he has spoiled me for life. His strive for perfection doesn't let me settle for ordinary in anything. There was a rhythm which he always saw in everything, even in cacophony and chaos. So when I learned to sing and dance to the music of that rhythm, even with my tone-deaf voice and 2 left feet, funnily, our life was a masterclass in acting. So when the dramatic entry of the uninvited guest happened, I had by then learned to see a harmony in the cacophony. The doctor's reports were like scripts which I wanted to perfect. So I never missed any detail that he sought for in his performance. We met some amazing people in this journey and the list is endless, but there are some whom I have to mention. Our oncologist, Dr. Nitesh Rohatgi, who held our hand in the beginning, Dr. Dan Krell, Dr. Shidravi, my heartbeat and my lantern in the dark, Dr. Sevanthi Limaye. It's difficult to explain what a wondrous, beautiful, overwhelming, painful and exciting this journey has been. I find this 2.5 years to have been an interlude which had its own beginning, middle and culmination, with Irfan's helming the role of the orchestra conductor. Separate from the 35 years of our companionship, ours was not a marriage, it was a union. I see my little family in a boat, with both my sons, Babil and Ayan, paddling it forward, with Irfan guiding them. Wahan nahi, yahan se moro. But since life is not a cinema and there are no retakes, I sincerely wish my children sail this boat safely with their father's guidance in mind and rockabye through the storm. I asked my children, if possible, they could sum up a lesson taught by their father that has been important to them. Babil said, "Learn to surrender to the dance of uncertainty and trust your faith in the universe." Ayan added, "Learn to control your mind and do not let it control you." Sutapa concluded the note by stating, "Tears will flow as we'll plant a Raat Ki Rani tree, his favorite, to the place where you have put him to rest after a victorious journey. It takes time, but it will bloom, and the fragrance will spread and touch all the souls, whom I won't call them fans but family for years to come."